Kagogon good state speaker nebo bunge nebo Senate Amason Kingi koityi kandoik tugul en emoni koker kole kaimuch konde taban terchinosiek chebo ng'alekab bolotet akobois en kibagenge. Kong'ololi Kingi en kasarta nekatestai sautik en betutab raini komwa kole niton ko igorta nebo komonut nekaimuch kibagenge kandoik ak noton konyolu koik kimiten tai en yamdaet nebo tetutik chebo kalyet.
I wish to commend the members of parliament for upholding and sustaining the tradition of the annual national prayer breakfast in our country. Through this initiative, we as parliamentarians affirm that beyond the diversity of political opinion that we ascribe and the different colors that symbolize our political camps, we remain one great team focused on serving the people of Kenya and acknowledging our need for God in order to execute our mandate. I, however, wish to challenge the honorable members to ensure that these uplifting, prayerful reflections that characterize the National Prayer Breakfast are not limited to a one-day-in-a-year engagement. The noble intentions and patriotic ideals behind the National Prayer Breakfast should inspire us to be more than just leaders representing and articulating the interests of voters here in Nairobi. We must now adorn the mantle of ambassadors of peace, unity and reconciliation at the grassroots as we engage with the people we represent. Parliamentary diplomacy, therefore, must constantly find expression in our daily undertakings as the people